Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw money from your Bancolombia A La Mano account, step by step, clearly and efficiently. Step 1. Open the A La Mano mobile app. Launch the Bancolombia A La Mano app on your phone and log in with your credentials or biometric login. Ensure you're using the latest version of the app. Step 2. Check your account balance. On the home screen, confirm you have enough available balance to withdraw. Tap on Saldo Disponible, available balance if needed. Step 3. Go to the Withdraw menu. Tap on the Retirar option, usually found at the bottom menu. You may see it labeled Cash Out or under your Wallet section. Step 4. Select Withdrawal Method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. ATM withdrawal via Bancolombia ATM, agent withdrawal at a Banco or partner store, transfer to another bank account. Step 5. Enter amount to withdraw. Type in the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure it's within your available balance and phone's daily limit. Step 6. Confirm details and authorize. Review the withdrawal details. If you're withdrawing at an ATM, the app will generate a withdrawal code or QR code. Confirm and authenticate via PIN, fingerprint, or facial ID, according to app settings. Step 7. Complete transaction. For ATM, go to the nearest Bancolombia ATM, enter your withdrawal code or scan the QR, then take your cash. For agent, show your withdrawal code or QR to the agent. They'll give you the money after confirmation. For transfer, select the destination account and submit the withdrawal. Funds arrive according to standard timelines. Tips and warnings. Make sure your app is logged in securely and updated. For ATM withdrawals, stay aware of your surroundings when retrieving cash. Withdrawal limits apply. Check your daily cap under the security or limits section of the app. And that's it. You've now successfully withdrawn money from Bancolombia A La Mano. If this guide helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step banking tutorials. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.